Welcome back to Couch Collectibles. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. As always, we're going to be focusing on the 1958 Franklin 90% silver half-dollar coin. Now, this coin here has a mint error. You'll see that small curved clip there on the left side of the coin. This coin is graded by NGC at a mint state 65, which is, you know, it's a decent grade, but it's not what's going to make it super valuable or anything. The error gives it a little bit of value, that curved clip. This coin sold for just over $60 at auction. But this next coin sold for over $5,000. Now this is the 1958 D mint mark, so you'll see the D mint mark above the bell there on the reverse. This coin has some amazing natural toning to it as well. The coin is valuable because it is graded at a mint state 67 plus with full bell lines. So here's an example of what full bell lines is. It's a designation that coin grading companies will give your Franklin half dollars. You know, it can't be worn down or nicked up or things like that in order to get classified as full bell lines. So keep that in mind. It has to be, you know, pretty flawless. You know, we're talking about a mint state 67 plus grade here, so that is the condition of the coin. The coin grading scale goes up to 70. 70 is the best you can get. This coin sold for $5,700. Now, if you compare that here to a 1958 D that has full bell lines, however, it's only graded at a mint state 63 as opposed to a 67 plus. So we're talking 4 grades lower, it's not the plus. And this coin only sold for around $60. So significant, you know, differences in values based on the grades or the conditions of these coins. Now here's a 1958 half-dollar coin that was struck onto a defective planchet. We can see that there as we zoom in on the coin. The coin has been graded and authenticated by Annex at a mint state 63, and this coin sold for around $60 as well. Now here is a very valuable coin. This coin sold for over $15,000 at auction. You'll see that it does not have a mint mark, you know, above the bell because this is the no mint mark, Philadelphia. So this coin was graded by PCGS at a mint state 67 with full bell lines, and that's why it sold for over $15,000. Again, nice natural toning to this coin. No artificial toning going on here. And, you know, you got to take into consideration, you know, grade population determines the value as well. You know, all these different things can go into determining a coin's value. So grade population, extremely important. If there's only one of these, you know, Franklin half dollars from 1958 graded at a mint state 67 with full bell lines, that's why it will be valuable. Or if there's only 2 or 3 or a handful, you know, but if there's tons of these graded at a mint state 66 with full bell lines, you know, then that wouldn't be valuable. So it all depends on how many exist at this grade, right? That's just an example. I'm not saying, you know, how many actually are graded like that. But here's a 1958 Franklin half dollar. Again, same as the last coin, same date, but this coin is graded at a 64 as opposed to a 67. And this coin ended up selling for just over $55 at auction. So big difference from 15 grand to $55. Now here's a pretty valuable mint error. This coin sold for over $2,000. And that's because we have a Franklin half dollar design that was struck onto a quarter planchet, a 25-cent planchet. So that's why the design's being cut off there, because the half dollar design cannot fit onto the quarter planchet. And this coin sold, like I say, for over $2,200. Now here is a nice partial collar taking place here on the 1958 Franklin half dollar. Of course, you'll see that around the rim of the coin. And it is graded at an AU58, so not a high mint state grade, but the error will give it some value, and that's why this coin ended up selling for over $250. Moving on to a 1958 proof half dollar coin. Man, to have this in this condition is just phenomenal. Proof 69 Ultra Cameo. out of the Everest collection. This coin ended up selling for over $18,000 at auction. So if you guys inherit coins, come across coin collections, you know, hunt coins from the bank and coin rolls, definitely watch my other videos. We're showing you what coins can be valuable and which dates and mint marks and things like that that you should be looking for. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe in the middle. Feel free to check out the videos to the left of me. And until tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the comment section below. This is Caps Collectibles, and this is where I disappear.